enkomo if you see na yenim say your political year yes enchebia na ekosomo for the year 2024 and because of that no I was say you dig Ghana ho enkomo we have to be citizens and not spectators well young fast da enikabia ema yabofo abebia no one more ejebre edo mo sika twitwidie eso yesne ema yedi kowadwumedi ya ebrel as a pc enkoma odifo awiemfo ba something kwekuye baba so di shebia na dwene mo kanom oyenu no ma basa emobro wa enyanka kwafo yenyina yesene no enti baba si yentutu America na yema japekrom na yebepimo japekrom a odnedro bekan ama ayarisa etimi ayedia enti baby a obia no nsese bi eso se bi enyado eye ntadishem eye didiem eye diemu sebi ebusuafo a wonu madwemo eka wo mo no papa se ye ntito America na yema japekrom na ebepiem nko ade a odnedru bekan ema yarisa aye yedia ne number na eda screen so no fa na one odifo awiemfo ba something kwekuye bo a entwetwe nkomo papa bia obia no yetwa prisi ema wache a ensa minim se radio adom wasamonai ewo mpaso a wo hweme anopa mi chiawo me pon a obeteme nka mafi bebre nyame ensraw baba number na da screen so no fa na wone no entwetwe nkomo na onye wo mwa empo japekrum na ontimi enkwa osi bebi a wo bia no I ready say obeba abeye wo adom sa pepepe anopa yem fast debut ema Dorifa Vigo Plus edroba kwa ne beka na mitrimum eye medede Dorifa Vigo Plus eye dra so wunya bi na ono no ma ebeboa ebedi wakejine mo ama sebie son sebie nyado infection sibia abobede ewo nipedwe no ebe clean afi ho eba no candidiasis edepo so ho white and etitu menu aba nom Dorifa Vigo Plus me say ebe sebie son sebie nyado be ya hifi ho ama ho aye soche ama krani etimi agi saso na oye bema eya na insu chochocho if you bemem ya na eba insanketenkete eya na bubrina say bombs and it was for about kakra no you know they start to brothelize yeah so if you want to brothelize oh bombs is worrying me bombs here bombs start me so it's all about Dorifa Vigo Plus baby na memene mame na bibia ebe kama sebie so sebie nyado say HIV money bimpu na abora ni pedua no emua eno ane say obeno nom Dorifa Vigo Plus na bibia etimi aye kama pa ede amount available in all of my circle shops around you herbal shop baby I tell do biano borem na so one say yema Dorifa Vigo Plus and me come you we na no pay wonom ajebre ede omusika asomasne ema yedi ko jumedi ebra na se kowa morning show ebra ya live on Facebook Kumawood TV GH ya live on YouTube Kumawood TV Samdakus initiative Samdakus TV so you stream live ewo ho anopay media the PSA ekoma Ohimes Treasures Boutique ewo Kumasi Atinga Junction wamo ene Amansia West Row Bank ena ewo dan back home na ukopimo Ohimes Treasures Boutique me say entire sorto se wokɔ event bia no obenya ho atade long top, skirt and top, designer wears. I know quite much almost a maca. Italy for I say, oh maca. If you want a maca dress, designer wear, proper quality. Call Ohimes Treasures Boutique. Sunglasses are hot or Ningina or Ohima Marby shoes, bags, BBR perfumes, watches, jewelries, BBR Ohimes Treasures Boutique. Ebe Maobi. Ohima branches no AMB no. Obama dina kupi cars ya. Wamone ahifino ena idi enshen. Jacob, Bokakotsono, Jacob Bay of fine and pay sasso. And Atinga Janshi, oh my catchery ewo ho Samsona mommy wo ho Ohima bebe or no so Obekwakoto Ohima beautiful Ohima. Now why your phone number is 0244 784 523 0244 784 523. I feel catch number is 0243 127188 0243 127188 7188 for catchery na ne catchery enchechwe nkomo o se bia obia no oba be delivery ede ama hema nyame nsra woni wobusu nyina na onye mo kese say you've taken it upon yourself say anope bia no obehye matade nyame nsra. I know you guys are fighting over me, but that's okay, it's good. Nyame ayinina. Well, and then latter part of the show said that no abega for you know more edin komo evia ye baby lines not some na story say bebo so no ya ma kwan ma wo so de wadwenche e de abasa so na no me question for the day maybe south say sebie so sebie nyaado ye kwa sorry na ye kutua tight no tight na ye tua no sebie tua why no ene yusi ekwa nyankopon ya so utua tight ene nyankopon ebe shraw obebi ekwa bebre e de ato bebi ekwa ni e de amount ene adade a whole lot ena yeti efa tight ho one to tight kwa so one to tight you know on say no ma enkoye enfama yeti sansem we da yeti nsem we o kwa so we so utua tight no utifie untua tight ene no ani se usi wa ani se usi ho maybe so tight kwa no yetua hwa ho eleko ye bone bede e de koma e twedi ampo nyankopon ana sofo na ene di tight no ana tight no sebie nyato ye de asore adwuma. I don't know, I'm asking you you found ana tight na yetia no ekọ enche bia maybe me fidie na tum na wafre me na ya dwendwe won say tight no kra no na ya yetia kra sofo na ye di o omo ale yusu ana say tight no yetia ye de koma nyankopon e wo soro say yemfa enko esoro. That is my question for the day for you. 6 minutes after 6 a.m. Yeah, live on Facebook, Kumawood TV GH, live on YouTube, Kumawood TV, some darkos initiative, some darkos TV, so no, you're streaming live. Production crew for this morning, executive producer for the show, Ura Some Darkos, the CEO himself, the director, of course, producer for this morning is the adorable Jake, of course, my director, always standing by, making sure say you know my Ebekoto thing, Akwesi Adomako Junior, Oji, or no, and making sure say Bibia Ebe Kamakama, supported by my beautiful, you know, handsome MCRs guys. That's a facial and famous, and I say ima or more and a shetri a day my my motivation for you. Debiano yet nasia ana me motivate so debia me motivate so debia me motivate so I know say me motivation me de mawa odi yechuma. Don't just listen for listening sake but what you say me pacho bebre asase we so ayewo enipa biara what wa eyesusu bibie wano me kan bibie wano a eno nche se bi se what we bie wano ato hu to no enye nsem bia na ye ka enye bibia na ye kasafa ho bibi wo hono ma wo hu pa what pa pretend you've not heard, pretend you've not seen, but wo hu pretend say nipa we ade wo de ye me pa me hu but efino ye wa dwen se me mie ma no kra you say service oba kwasi akra no okana no tuma na ebunu nyansafo ana me bwana ana man kan yi great enti enye bibia na sebie son sebie nyaado ye bibia no ewo ho edurumre bia to no mo na record. Don't just open your mouth, let them say when feel ignore, learn to ignore. So ignore will be a nezano enipa no nka fi ni mpo onim se we kwa me ye dia na sa semo ya maka pride oba be ma me reply na we fi no abozege e so ne sin bibia material kan nyina me hu dia wo ye nyina but me mine I don't care me mie ma no so I say e no be bo o de me nka se wagimi hwe wo ye san nyina no onyankopon obetua wo ma o mo tietie wo ne ka se yankopon ka se otua obi kana ka tua ba obi so a e chense wato na duro na me ka tua aso obi aye oboni pa obi adu dream obi aso wade pa kasempa ya pa fa no wamfi no wo de fa no rade me dina ma wo de deal with him, deal with her for me, simple na da o baby din sa baby si din se yakopa ka tua ba ansha enipa beka se wakoto na duro na me akatu e ba ahwa yade enidin yade enedru yade abonu madura enko ebe se wonnam bi kwa na yade mo ba wonnam so adane yarefo Yakupon ka so otwi obi aso amawa enti to anum na reka okay keep quiet okay don't talk too much okay that's all I have for you maybe my line is not some anope ede ama framing na yonkoye ni me pa cho tight ya yitia wa sorry dem no yetia asofo no e na sebieson wo mo you see ana se ye bone bede e de komanya kupon e wo soro obi o say wontia tight e na nipa tsasa we so nkwa sorry e na wontia tight e na wonye hwe e be da nyame hira yetia tight ni so mpa hwamu e na yisu tight no ye de komanya kupon so ana asofo na ana no ye di say sorry dem ye de to nkonya e to e ba have a caller on the line. Hello, good morning. Hello,
good morning.
Me pa choka same ho na die me so me call nice we dey no baby aka say free.
So yes I'm lion because it's so.
All right darling, wadaro ma me yenti wa no pay.
So Diane, the men shall not beg your phone.
Amen.
Tight I can was no. Be number. And as I see you so no nipa na manyankopon nyambra. Enti se okwa asore na asore na mra na si ye tight. Na ojitu na ba kwa asore no nko ade se wutua.
Okay.
Sa asore mra na si ye tight na onye tight ntuma ase se wo free asore de monte sa wo na wontua ubetima anya no me.
Okay.
Enti tight die sa asore nya jitu nko asa ya asore no ye hia se ye tight ya. Untimi aja asore no ubetumi a utina mu ase se wutua. Tight any padia tight yetua tight ema tight nyankopon yetua tight di manipa ade bi ye nyame fie bi ana ye nyama nyame ye manipa.
Okay.
If you say nyankopon oye nipa te say nyame ntimi nye bibi without a nipa it heaven aye kan kuran so betima ko heaven a ade say papa any sane usini nipa etie wa asasi yeso ne betima aboa mu akọ.
All right.
Eti tight ye nipa dia na ye nipa emra nipa be hia na ye adwuma.
Okay.
Untumi ni so ase so free emra na se.
Okay.
So what na emra ni mu na so ni so a edi so sanso fufu be. Eti tight nko yankopon ho tight ko nipa ho ama bia na ye te no ese nyame fie ni ye di siesie ho anase ye de boa ho.
All right. Okay. Me ba cho me da CP also obetimi afre na yakwe nim 12 minutes after 6 a.m. Me ba cho the phone ye tia tighter e kwa hemfa e kwa sofo na ho ana say ye de komanya ko wosro. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Me abada.
Ba cho na ho to say.
E ba cho na na de me ho e pa.
Ye da nyame ase. When am na ka say.
Me ba cho regan na kasa, me kasa front okro.
All right. Me do me yenti wa no hwe.
The woman na ne say tight enipa na ichiaman was assist. Na ichiama ubia na me ensa wono so a obetimi ade apata ma okra. Odo be konyankopon ni. Na wasere ade ama okra because utia tighter ye woni diso. Butia tight be busumi sia. Ye wodi ese nyame nipa no ebe ya ma a ebe ti o ma first one no kini ebe ti o ma apata ma o ma se no me bi ana wo how bi ebe ba so a be ye furu ma so ansana obe se tua ato so ntie nsia ansana apata pata ma wan ka se ni ka no tua no kra.
Okay.
So the bear or safe on intimi ensel. Well, one is now so we be tighter. You will be tighter. Ma we be sad because now we put that down our crown. Or no use any pano. And as I am mini pano. This year, not dominant in rule so we can have a joke. You will be all with your tight. Onya, papa dia, and onya, the bien free.
Okay.
That's a really good child tighter man. Okay.
Okay.
It's there. Before one cycle was now in a better uchia side.
Okay.
The woman.
Me pacho me da CP also with me afraid. So adorable, you know, comments coming in right here live on Koa. Of course, Koa morning show. We're going all the way till 8 a.m. Frame Mokola Airlines. So
hello.
Good morning.
Hello, Diane.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Although now what to say?
If I saw me where if I saw a family rich, I don't know if you're going to go to
Beautiful. Pacho, it's your
yeah, me pacho, I tight ready any quantity here. Because they have me susu say any quantity here say obi wa asafo ni mo ye theater is up just 1 million per se. E dey start business ye ngi bi farmer no. Okoso for asofo be ka kere say o mo mpa yan ko fon be. Ba asofo timi isu ka ni aka say sofo ka no we dey isi dey yam pe dey su chen. Ka ka we farmer no. Ne yakoyi tight ni sika ni bi dey akoto ka ma ba asofo no no be nyan ko fon o mo mpa yan nyan ko fon fa ka di bi free soro. Emre no. Ebo mu wa asafo na unya 3 million na start business dia ye say mo mpa yan ko fon be. The title collection for the body they coming quiet because as of for no and then no mama or my politicians no or man this over so wow ben will be a winning pass will be ours. Okay. The game here was a tight. Okay. Because them out of how and after catching so we say they are here 10 million 20 so do not and that bang and when you 10 million manufacture this the Bemawa. But so for here the Bemano. Change what I yes.
Charlie, you also have a good point there, but then hey, as of on Israel, Mumwa, a sorry man, Mwatiase, Sana, Eana, Efe. We'll be here 2 million, Mumano, 3 million is Caben Sebi, Mumano, or the breast dance with cheer tight as already. There'll be our crowd to a friend. They'll be also offering craft FCD. Oh, Charlie, let's help. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, now where? Great. What am I say?
I'm about to make us a free offensive.
But you ain't here. Oh, so sorry. San Fremi na yonko yenim still picking your call 16 minutes after 6 a.m. Of course, Fremi na yonko tight na you tell the man also for ananyame. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning. I'm okay, Diane.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, I'm okay, Diane. Asante ni wapenzi wabo for.
Hey, yeah, dear.
Ya mi adimo me hoye.
Ya mi ase wadaro ma 81 no pay.
Yo, guys, no, okay. According to Bible, no. Can in Levi for no. Levi pass off no na I'm saying na omo nyejuma. Omo yebusi oku anyanko mo yi omo. Omo na nkirekire. Ntina omo nyejuma bia aka nkirekire no. Nti omo na ne ajeje tight no de ma omo. So no. And that's what we work on the business abro be 10. That was ajeje tight. And tight it and then near you woman and campus will be any so. For the Levy, and the young one share almost a woman. Empathize, empathize, and my woman, something no money you may be a so man on my yellow. So, in the next tight name, Twasso, now so from a more Bible, a chemical no fab, and I'm just down Benyaji in the tight idea, and we have to get it at my game.
Okay. Beautiful. Oh my God. Also funny na yonko yeni must down koma. Oh Himes Treasures Boutique for my outfit. Catchery. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
But you mean to
Hello, good morning.
Great. Good morning. Pacho didn't baby a friend me free.
Pacho kasa free at table. Clement wabi na onene kasa no.
Okay. Yen se wa no pay.
Ano pay dia boko. Pacho ai tax na ya muka ho asem no. Mimi gidi se tax nyankopon na aja to ho se nka en pia tax fa. Nka mimi gidi mu a tax no fa ho se odi akoma sofo ana se o pay bisa menka tax nke wakuma muso betia o yi tax o bom pa ya o pa o bitimi di akwache ayarefo ananse ohiafo eno untiminya upa ubompa ewia katra nyame tax no wu dia menim obi a me dia me di ba chemensa enti enini upa kwan no ananse bibisa obetimi di akoto ho be nyame nipemu a obi a obekwa ko huska na afa no nyame na di ache ono me makoma mo anka tanke eno so nkeye.
All right, thank you so much. Onsono with your contribution, Ediaba. Yeah, live on Facebook, Kumawood TV GH. Live on YouTube, Kumawood TV. Samdakus Initiative, Samdakus TV. So you stream live. Subscribe to your channel. More color.
Hello.
So hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Ado, now what to say?
I'm here to know so.
Nakopadum. Mesome hoye. Wadaroma yeti wanope.
That when there was here.
Okay.
Right. Was here because of sport free. I got a boost in a hole. About that now also a bone quite your home. A bone quite your home buying. And this of 1 year. We are not a big chance of for the big cat. A day as on the morning. The Titan dear. Okay, here. Maybe no.
Alright, tight ne dey o see it ya po o see it ya tight because no one as of no move on parliament na no so mo dey support so what I say. Will be contribution no. Tell me yours. Of course, 20 minutes after 6. Me go so FR or calls now. And then hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, boy man.
Hey, nana
now. Nana ni o tano so. Who you dey?
Nana nyame adom now so eh.
Nana adom arakwa. Atoma mo kana make di site no di nyame na hye ase yia ndi asampa ukia na me hwesu hyirawo ama waduma wo ye koso asampa pa site ni de ukia koso nye kwa me hye is part for na di nyame enum kan no na me hye mo ukia ndi ye di na se ukia.
Okay.
Amen come ho no mujuma bia.
Amen. Na nyame sha bebre chia tano sofo enyina mo amohwe all the way from tano so no ye chia mo edamu nyina sisi dra no pa mo hwe koa maka to say all right. Hello, good morning.
Okay, good morning.
Me pacho me dofo wudi ni baby afre me free.
Pacho me de Friday ni ga free. Well, tight no. Deba konese tight yentia mani power ni yentia masofo yentia manyankopon na deba konese onse nyankopon eye honhom.
Okay.
Entie somo no wo honhom mu enye honam mu entisa ana deba konse no se ye wa sofo mu fi nyame ne dio mu fi nyame nti wo ko hwe asofo a o fi nyankopon ase a be den wati we no nyina ase. So I say, any program here is so Kata one. Nipa de Afum or Mukatamune. I think that when she has to prove you free and Kupam and answer manner, that's them we will be up for year you Wafum. So I identify no what the Bepa or Masophone. Now, what one of the year no young coupon, the deal so for no need this channel, and you often a to this channel. For the yes, sorry, dine I see one as we talk to my already more. Yeah, that was the money.
So, yeah, that's 22 minutes after 6 a.m. Framing na yonko yen mutual tight now. How echo? Yeah, the man yanko through and answer so for an echo my day. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Madam Diane.
Middle, now I want to say.
Yeah, but somewhere where retired in here, not every more more work I miss you. Never thought near operate here and no can walk or how I saw for this answer. We are so full, he can't do the because I think the I for the body are sorry. And Obia, I send you Obia can be Obia and Yasu or not add that any power as you so. They want to do no. Dear Pani, dear. What they are to the more for the answer as on Diana. I can't be who you can come one wire. Take you do me say yeah. Ever more wire who are so. Madame Diana wouldn't say 300 cities in tea, or bed was them or bird and send the city. Or maybe they are told so kill. I saw confirm them and their man was starting business. So we should him. That was thank you, but one came here one, or money to see nobody come up on check. And nobody will phone or moody the petche. your body here when you want to do any obi and obenya so no me because kan na lewi ko na etia so do di mo na Nyankopon yi asofo ni free lewi abusia ni mu me ba to na nya kana ni gadi ko na ye aduane na no mo so pe ni nipa e wo foma wo ko ma ni na o mo na ko bon pa ya srebo ni fa free every Nyankopon wa ma ba e free da na ntu madane ti ye Nyankopon se wo bi da ti ba da ni ebe bon pa ye okay.
Okay. I think everybody has a very, very beautiful, view about the fact to say, yeah, I was saying it will be one reason. Hello, good morning, last caller. Hello, good morning. Okay, last caller, no, me. Okay, hello, last caller.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Pacho, didn't baby I friend me free.
But your friend Reverend Prophet Matthew Sebosum, Casefra and Kwame.
All right, Reverend, you are okay, uncle.
Pacho see clear. Na Nyankopon ayi asofo se omusina nam awa asasi so. Se de kwa America ye wo Ghana embassy wo no no. Ghana asofo te. Di okopia no. Upia me Nyankopon na wo di se Nyankopon sofo nensa. Na wo yisu sege Nyankopon pese onyusu no so na e ba Kristosumu na o se Kristosumu ye led by the Spirit. So we hear from God and God directs you na nya won sa kan o se so do no se fa se obi chow 10 cedis ya uyi 1 cedi e ko e tight na ofa 9 cedi sa na ti na dia ko ni se asofo na o se mu kwan o be fa so a Nyankopon aka no o mbedi so no mo yisu no pepepe sidi Nyankopon den eka no na aye isra amanipa ba nyame isra bye bye.
It shall be day, of course, and out of a Memphakobia, ABM 25 minutes after 6 a.m. You're live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, GH, of course. One more time, many times, Nkoma, or him Treasures Boutique, or more Ashamatadi. I'm so grateful for you guys. Welcome to Jacob, Castle Branch, so, and a mommy, any catchway, sweet catchway, or a Atinga Junction, woman, Amansia West Road. Bank and what dying back whom free catcher at a debia officer channel or him I say on the mouth before 0244 784 523 or 0243 127 188. Catcher, don't forget to bring my cuckoo. All right, and I don't pay in summer you have a channel I don't pay. And they say during 2020 general election declaration of results no which means sebie son sebie nyato Mrs. Kakra able to say ECA declare no and funfun bi baye any adiadia na eno na sebie son sebie nyato wo hwe 2020 election na amanfo ka say senior ECA declare about no na Mrs. Kabem figures no changes ni adiadi bi abemu no na fein so wo hwe MPP for Delegate Congress omokoye nano memide ye omodi omo flag bearer His Excellency Mahmoud Bawumia Vice President say ono na obegina obesi akan no e de ama the MPP amanyuku kese no coming 2024 election na wo share declaration so to mo say eno so no mistakes nkete bi ebe mu ne no na enkofo ebisa say wo share EC Anufunfumi any adjade any mistakes in kitinkiti ya any effect our 2024 election or eswana ana ebe effect ana eno abeja fortness maybe sa womu ni abrorum na omode omadwenche ediaba enti no ohwe primaries no any adjade ni nyina no ye bemo wahye ebi ansa na ye ni abejafo akasa afeso no mesanso ebisa say sebie so sebie yan what to say Isi say obia enko chekinidi watiana ana wonti and overall no isi edi sebie son sebie nyaado or the closing of yan my kwakosho yedi no say yedi wo book ni mu ni etimi register ni mu ni etimi ato aba 2024 no say enra na o close no akosi ameti ekra no maintain po sese omabie registration no atum so obi anko check ni din watiana me amete maintain yo na so ye say ye de aba na wie eye enra me bi sa o say sebi easy for and no money or mojme and we said to me before Nancy and no mako check here now because what shall and crofobebe and co check your mudi me cry mente enti men ko check me di mpo eno ho nkomo anybody. First of all yenko na yenko share a declaration of just the ended delegates congress a course so ma ye fankatu for edema MPP amanyuko kase nipa obitu fanka edema iko kakrake osuna amanyuko kokrodu esi party His Excellency Vice President Baumia yenko ne yenko share information kiti bia e ba ya manko for ekika 2020 dey na ebom edwendwe won say no cransha na enye effect the whole election na because so 2024 no eso. Let's watch and come yeba mema abedwafo akwaba na fe no ya start here discussion. Stay with us on Kowa Morning Show.
On behalf of the chairperson and the entire commission, we want to congratulate you for the support you gave us in the supervision of your work. Without much ado, I will go straight to the business. As you are aware, 4 people contested, and these are the results. Candidate number 1, Ken Onhinen Ejapong. He had 71,996. Mahmoud Baumi.